Hello and welcome to this ReportBox tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to use the online cloud-based report system for writing your school reports, which is called ReportBox. So let's begin by opening a browser and going to reportbox.com. In the top right hand corner you'll see a login window. Click that and type in your email address and password to log in. Now that we've logged into ReportBox, the first thing you'll see is a list of subjects, and you should automatically be taken into your class. If we click on one of these subjects, we can see the name of the class here. This is just an example class which I've used for this demonstration. So let's just go back to the welcome page a second. Over here you'll see the progress. This progress percentage relates to the percentage number of the students in your class that you have completed reports for. When you see this full at 100%, you'll know that you've entered a comment for each student in this particular subject. So we'll click Maths to begin with. We'll see the list of our student names down here. I've just entered some example names here for security, and we can select different levels for this particular student, and the comment will be filled in automatically. So we'll start to see that in practice. So let's select a middle comment here, and you can see the comment gets auto-populated here with text. Notice how the name has been auto-filled in, and also this has automatically done the gender assignment for us. This will work for both a girl and a boy. You can see the gender assignment switches here. So we can customize this comment at any point by clicking this button and entering in our own text. We can see over here how many words this comment is. This is particularly relevant with your template files because most of the boxes will have a limitation on the words that can be entered and the lines that can be entered, so this is important to take note of. And if there's multiple choices for the comments, then there will be a drop down here where you can select which comment you want to use. If you want to review your comments at any point, you can open the comment bank, or you can add a completely personal comment here that isn't in the existing bank by simply typing the comment in here, clicking add personal comment, typing it in, clicking save. If we open the comment bank, what we'll be able to do is have a look at the other comments which are being created by your colleagues in relation to the year group that you're in. So this example class which I've entered is in Year 6, so we can go into Maths here, select Maths, click Find, and there'll be a whole selection of other comments here which are related to this year group and are able to be added in to our comment bank. If there was one that we wanted to use, for example, this one just here is a lower comment which is not in the comment bank at the moment. We simply click the copy button. That will be added to our comment bank. We go back to write a report. We select lower, and then that comment is available here in the drop down. We'll now go back to the welcome screen, so we can see the percentages have not changed here because we haven't saved any comments for our class or our subjects. These comments are saved automatically as you enter them, as you make your selections. There's no need to hit a save button or anything like that. As you move to the next subject and move back, you'll see that it has saved the progress that we've made. So we can simply select some different aspects here And then when we go back to the welcome screen, we'll see that these progress bars have filled up. Obviously this is at 100% because I've only got 4 pupils in this particular class at the moment. The last tab here is check and print. You don't really need to use this tab. I will mail merge reports for you, so when you're finished writing your reports you simply send and all of the progress bars here read 100%, or here read 100%. You simply send an email to support@strawberry7.com. You can pop in the subject report complete, and I will do the mail merge for you and create the reports into Word format. I'll give you information about where they're saved, and you'll be then able to go in and add all of your pictures. If you require more support or more information, you can click here to go to our support site. If you wish to visit our new website, that is available here. And if you wish to leave us a review or a comment, you can do so here, or you can comment in the video below. As always, thank you for watching.